Hi everybody. Today we are going to be exploring the PBS Learning Media website. This site focuses on many different subjects, grade levels, and standards. But today we are going to be looking at the English Language Arts section and seeing how it's a resource that can be used in any English classroom. So for example, if we are in our nonfiction unit, we can click on informational texts. And today we will focus on key ideas and details, evidence, inference, and conclusion. We can then choose our grade level. Let's try 6th grade. Interactive lessons. Those are really fun. We'll just make sure that all of those are selected. It's a little finicky. And then we'll choose our lesson. I tried this one out earlier, Animal Survivors. It's pretty fun. So as you can see here, you can share it to Google Classroom. Tells you a little bit about the lesson. Shows what kind of support materials are given for teachers and what standards are going to be applied to this lesson. So we will click Launch, and that'll start our lesson. So here we can see that there's already tells you what it's going to be about, and then you can just start. There's already differentiation pretty much right away. It starts with a short video. I'll play that for a while. And then on the next page, you can then pick what reading level the student feels best with. So we'll pick the pink guy down here. So we've watched a video and now we can do a little reading. Some more differentiation. And then this also shows you, and it teaches students how to annotate. So we can learn how to highlight. It's pretty cool. We'll just exit out of that for now. Other things that we can learn with this, more videos. And some writing, so you can explain what you're learning so far in this lesson. So there's lots of different ways we can assess students using this interactive lesson. Photos, more writing, lots of different options here really. This is great for teachers because it's already set up for you. You just have to let the kids run it themselves. Here we can listen and follow along. So another great way for all learners to kind of use this program. And something I really like about this also is that it gives you a text set. So other books that we can try out to go along with what we're learning here. And it includes parents too. So, yeah, so lots of things on the PBS Learning website, lots of different ways that students can learn. Great for in the classroom, outside of the classroom, and it's an engaging tool for pretty much all students.